Hello YouTube, this is DT Music 003 coming to you with an unboxing of the 5-port HDMI selector switch. This product came from VideoGameCentral.com. Okay, so this is the front of the box. As you can see, it says switching from multiple HDMI sources made simple, and it goes full HD 1080p. Okay, as you see there. This is made by Impact Acoustics. Show you the back. Some more information on it. Okay, because of the remote control. Alright, now let me get to the unboxing now. Okay, so first things first, we got instruction manual. Okay. We got the device itself. Okay, put that to the side for a minute. We got, let's see what's in here. We got the AC adapter. Okay. And last but not least, we got the remote control. Okay, back to the selector switch. Oops. Okay, let's see. This is the front of it. Got all your LED lights and your different input sources. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got your IR receiver for the remote control. You got the power LED and select your input. Okay, to the back. Got all your HDMI. Got your AC adapter. Okay. And to extend your IR receiver as well. Alright guys, that was the unboxing of the 5-port HDMI selector switch. Alright guys, thanks for watching, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Alright, bye.